My name is Shaen Barcena and I took the Aesthetics program at Centennial College. What excites me about the Aesthetics program is actually the vibe of the school. Being in the industry for a long time, I can tell that Centennial College has a little bit more unique way to teach. It's what made our class more fun. The best thing that I would say as my greatest takeaway is the amount of support that you will get from all of your professors. I think that people should take the Aesthetics program at Centennial College because they get you ready to be successful in the future.